Hello. Hey guys, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. I hope all is well. I wanted to show you my car for a long time. I've did other videos at my car, but I want to show you how I work out my back really quick. So and this is the back of my SUV. As you can see, I have a hard surface here. Okay, I have a hard surface. That's my notary journal. So when someone comes to my home, this is what I do. I pop my hatchback, as I just showed you really quick, and then I just get right into it. So I have my journal here. I have my receipt book. I have been promising to show you my new receipts. I think I showed you already, but I'll just show you again. Those are my new receipts that I have my name printed on them. I got my bag, my purse, and because I just got back from a job, I'm waiting on somebody else. I got my notary stamps and my gold seals. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so you can see what all I have back here, is I'm going to flip this up. Be patient. These kind of videos are kind of awkward. So I wanted to show you though. So again, this is the bag. That's Jeffrey's notary bag. I got a couple extra coats back there, always ready, so you don't have to get ready. So I got a bag of cards. So let's start with the crate. A friend of mine gifted me this crate prior to using this pretty purple one. I already had one. As you can see, that turquoise one back there. But my friend gifted me this one, and I organized it. So I have my cards, okay, my business cards. I have some lights here, so when it's dark, I'm able to pull these out. And it's a magnet on it, so let me just show you how that works. You may want to invest in these like that. It's a light, and then it just goes on any metal part of the car. So let me see, can I show you that? So we'll flip it, and then you see the light hanging there, right? But actually, we usually do it like that because the documents are there. So you can see how it would add a light to this transaction, okay? And that's anywhere I pull up. I pull these out. So I'll put the link for this in, let me cut this off. Yeah, there it goes. And there's 3 lights on it. So you got 1, 2, 3, okay? And then make sure it's off. You can tell it's off at the top up there. It's even got like a flashlight. So if you were looking for an address at night, you can use that light right there. Okay. So I have these, and I have 2 of them. I also have, in case we get stuck on the road, these little doohickeys, and they will go crazy. You see that? It'll start lighting. There you go, flashing. So I got those. And these actually came from my dad. Let's see, can I cut it off? Oh Lord. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think it's cut off. So I got these just in case. Little like star thingies on the side of the road. As you can see, I have my ink pens. I have my whole box of blue pens, whole box of black ink pens. I even have some blank index cards. I used to use those for when I write the date and leave it on the table. I have another little thing in here with business cards. As you can see, that's a business card holder. I got plenty of business cards. I always say have plenty of business cards. Always have plenty of business cards, guys. There's no reason why you should not be giving each client 3. Okay. Now you might have just started out and you only had 100, but if you've been doing your business for any length of time, now I order my business cards like 1,500 at a time. I also have some wipes, so I still wipe things down. I'm not as diligent about that as I used to be, but I do still wipe things down. Try to wipe down my clipboards. I try to wipe down, these are the 2 lights I told you I had. I also have a rain poncho in here. I have a little lantern. This was just a little gift from my gas company. So I have a lantern when it's dark. Use that too sometimes. I love that lantern, guys. I really do. I have some extra charging cables in here. I am very prepared because when you're a mobile notary, you never know what you're going to come across. I have a bottle of Fiji water. This water is so good. Fiji. A friend of mine gave me that and I just never drank it. I have extra receipt books just in case I run out of the fancy ones. Actually, I have bought those receipt books before I got my fancy ones, so I ain't throwing them away. We gonna use them. Then I have my gold seals, extra. Now these I got at Office Depot when I couldn't get them on Amazon. I actually ran low one day. That's why I always say have extra. So now I do. I actually had ran low, and I had to get those from Office Depot, which cost way more than the ones from Amazon. These are the ones from Amazon. Okay. I usually get like 250 of the 2-inch gold seals. Okay. I get those. And then we also even have a 120 watt plug-in inverter. And I think we use this for our tablets and stuff, laptop, when we do printing. Mobile printing. So now I got some trash here. I'm gonna just throw that away. It'll be a little choppy, but I really want you just to see how I really work. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like in the back. So you too can get all of this set up. Get you a nice tray. I always keep an extra journal. Always keep an extra journal. Always have an extra one, okay? I don't know how many I've been through at this point, but I always keep an extra. So I keep my business cards right here. Again, I always pass out 2 to 3. I have my ink fingerprinting kit. Also, let me show you that right quick while I'm doing this video. Uh-oh, I didn't know something is falling. Hold on. Okay, let me show you my ink fingerprinting kit. I'm opening the kit. So I'm going to show you my ink fingerprinting kit also while I'm trying to open it. So anyway, get ready so you don't have to, be ready so you don't have to get ready. And you will hear me say that on everything. So that's kind of good that this happened. And here's the piece that broke. So I got to get another fingerprinting kit. Because, you know what, I think this time I'm going to change it and do something different. Because this is the second one I had to buy. And now I can't even get in here. So I'm not going to be able to show you this. Oh, wait. I'm going to have to break it. I broke it. I had to break it. Let me show you. I'm so upset. I just broke it. So you can see it's chintzy. Cheap. Anyway, in my fingerprint kit, I keep, let me show you, my fingerprint instructions. Okay. I keep, that's just my NNA stuff. I keep extra fingerprint cards. Always have extra. Okay. Always have extra because some people might need 1 card. Some clients may need 2 cards. Some people may need 10. I also have my I-9 instructions I keep in here. So it's a little bit more than fingerprinting. This is also for I-9. I have an I-9 folder in here. All my little miscellaneous forms, acknowledgments, Jurats, all of that. I have the extra FedEx folders in here, envelopes, my passport information when I'm doing a copy of a passport translation. I have that in here. Certified copy forms, extra forms. I even have more ink pens here, even though you saw how much I had in my car. I even have an extra pack. More labels from FedEx are in here. So I'm going to have to replace this. And also I wanted to show you, I always keep extra fingerprint thingies, ink pads. I never reuse these. Never. Okay. A client might go off on you if you try to reuse a fingerprint pad with them, especially due to COVID and everything. So let me close the selfie stick and I'm going to see it. So that's the Concordian that I normally use. Again, because it broke on me, I might even try something different. I don't know, because this is the second one that I've been through, and I do have it kind of stuffed to the rim. So this is the back of my car one more time. So on the bottom, you can see I have my crate, all the stuff that I showed you that's in there. Extra brown folders to the right. Then I got my fingerprint thingy with all my extra acknowledgments, Jurats, and all of that. So again, you want to have a fully stocked bag. You want to be prepared. You don't want to have to be looking for stuff. And now that my bag is broken, I had to break the thing off of it. I'm going to look on Amazon probably when I finish this, because I'm waiting on the client to get here. And yeah, just have all of your supplies. So your basic supplies, I'll just run through it really quick, should be a journal, black pens, blue pens, embosser if your state allows it, and it's just to make the document look pretty. I have about 2 or 3 videos on embosser, so if you don't know what it is, check it out. Gold stamps, I like the gold, not the silver. You want to also make sure you have a receipt book, a way to give your clients a receipt. Those are basic things that you're going to need. So you want to make sure you have your extra acknowledgments, extra Jurats also in your bag. Basic notary instructions, if you're new, may help you also. And for all things training related, visit us at notaryeducatorsllc.com. Check out our free resources. We have a lot of free resources over there for you. Okay, it's been my pleasure to show you my mobile car setup. And I'm not the fancy one that has a printer and all that. I do have a mobile printer. I don't take it with me every time. No, I just take it when I know I have certain jobs. So technically I should take it with me all the time in case I get a job, but I don't. So that's it. But I do have one. I have a mobile scanner. I don't carry that every single time I go either. I don't. But that's all I got for you today. So until next time, guys, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.